Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the bride's cousin.
Hi Sarah, I'm John. I'm a friend of the groom. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Laura. I've been practicing yoga for a few years.
Hi Laura, I'm Tom. This is my first retreat. I'm excited to learn more.
Hi, I'm Katie. I specialize in Italian cuisine.
Hi Katie, I'm Ben. I'm all about baking. Let's see who wins. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a huge fan of this director.
Hi Alex, I'm Jess. Me too. This is going to be a great screening. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm here to learn salsa.
Hi Emily, I'm Jack. It's my first time too. Let's see if we can keep up.
Hi everyone, I'm Lisa. I'm taking this course to improve my skills.
Hi Lisa, I'm Kevin. I'm here for the same reason. Looking forward to learning together.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm so excited to meet the author.
Hi Megan, I'm James. I've read all of their books. Can't wait to get my copy signed.
Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm Aunt Jane's daughter.
Hi Lucy, I'm Tom. I'm Uncle Bill's son. Nice to finally meet you.
Hi, I'm Sophie. I love board games.
Hi Sophie, I'm Chris. What's your favorite game to play?
Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a designer. Hi Rachel, I'm Amy. I'm here to cover the event for a fashion magazine.